Okay, so you run Google Ads for local tax firm. I run a local tax prep firm a year in business. Okay, congratulations. And I want to start with Google Ads. Congratulations if you are trying to start with Google Ads. What I have done so far, build a simple, fast landing page separate from my main website. Use cursor to have full control. Test it on page speed web for speed 98 on mobile. I'm keeping it very targeted and local. Okay, and what I will do next is set up a Google ad for the one zip code. Use Enkinita's text prep free consult as a headline. Set spend to 500 per month, $20 to 30 a day. Focus on search campaigns only. Keywords: tax prepare Equinitas, tax filling Equinitas, local tax help, small business tax prep, WD tax service, 1099 tax return help, CPA near me. I'm not a CPA, but often people don't need one. Okay, let me make it big too. Okay, and negative keywords: free, Trabotux, IRS, job, hiring, classes, course, HR blog, Jackson Hewitt, online only, cheap, ad extensions, conversion tracking. My ask: this is the first time I'm doing this. What I'm missing and what can I do to make this a success? I'm targeting 2 to 3 new customers per month. So if you're running uh, Google Ads for local tax firm, so first of all, congratulations that you're trying to run it. So my suggestions will be as follows. Okay, so whenever there is a new trend, I recommend people to do few of the things with the new Google Ads campaign. Look for competitors. Okay, look for the competitors. You didn't discuss regarding your timing schedules. Okay, your timing schedules. Look, have monitor data on best and worst performing days. So I may have to speak a lot, but let's start with this. That looking for your competitors, see what they are doing, what kind of timings you plan to run on. But you have to also monitor your best and worst performing days. Apart from conversion tracking, which you have analyzed, I think that we also need to look for anti-fraud click prevention, plus general analytics on the website to see what's working well and what's not well. So you also discussed regarding your landing page speed to be 98 on mobile, which is very good. But I yet to see your landing page and how optimized landing page you have designed so far, and how you are going to obtain your data. So this is another crucial step in your strategy. And you are targeting one zip code. That is very good. You are targeting one location, so which helps us in only creating one campaign. And regarding you also said that. Um you are these are the keywords you're going to focus on search campaign. So yeah, first search campaign is fine, but your keyword structure is not fine. I think that for this keyword and this keyword, I might have a single ad. So I need to create multiple ad groups where the word help is over there. Local tax help, I will create a separate campaign. For small business tax group, I will create a separate ad group for local tax help, ad groups for small tax help, ad group for WT tax service, and 1099 tax return help. So I need to optimize this. Plus the search terms you are seeing, okay, these are maybe good, but go into your search terms on your Google Ads account and look around for your search terms to see what kind of queries you see, and every other day look around for that data and keep on optimizing. So your negative keywords is an ongoing optimization process. So these are a few of the things which you need to look, specifically looking for a competitors, timing schedules, monitor on best and worst performing days, and then you may need to spend some data. I think that $500 per month is a very low amount specifically for your niche. So I think that spend more money. And the most important thing is you are missing a Google Ads manager like us. So you need to hire a Google partner company like us, and we will help you in further looking in deep insights on how you can optimize your Google Ads for local text firm. But these are the few things which you need to keep in mind before running a Google Ads campaign. So good luck with your Google Ads campaign. Yeah, good luck.